If you've ever used Toughbuilt tools, you already know they're built to go the distance. Every piece feels solid, dependable, and made for people who take their work seriously. We've taken a deep dive into their latest lineup and handpicked 20 standout tools that truly push the limits, each one designed to make your work faster, easier, and a lot more efficient. From smart tool systems to innovative designs that just make sense, these are the tools redefining what tough really means. Let's dive in and see what Toughbuilt has in store. Have you ever wrestled with cutting duct board, flexible duct, or fiberglass insulation and walked away frustrated by dull blades or rough, uneven cuts? The Toughbuilt duct knife with sheath is the solution you've been waiting for. This double-edged cutting tool is precision-engineered to give HVAC and insulation professionals the accuracy and control they require on every single job. The serrated edge is specifically designed for cutting through wired insulation, while the fine edge handles puncture cuts cleanly and easily. The 5.5-inch titanium-coated steel blade is built tough, designed to last, and supported by full-through tang construction for long-term reliability. Comfort is never compromised either. The over-molded handle enhances grip and reduces fatigue, so your hands stay steady throughout extended use. Once the work is done, the hard sheath with integrated belt clips secures the knife and keeps it within reach wherever you go. Adaptable, dependable, and built for the long haul, the Toughbuilt duct knife with sheath makes every cutting job faster, cleaner, and far more manageable. Introducing the Toughbuilt open-handle shears, the 11-inch pro-grade scissors that are setting a new standard for job site cutting. The patent-pending handle wraps around your thumb, allowing you to apply the full force of a clenched fist while staying comfortable throughout the day. Forget about hand fatigue, no matter how demanding the task gets. These shears are built with full tang construction and spring-assisted opening, so every cut feels smooth and effortless. The micro-serrated edges hold their sharpness up to twice as long as standard blades, and the full tang design guarantees durability through years of heavy-duty use. A sliding thumb block ensures safe storage and easy transport, and the ergonomic shape accommodates both left-handed and right-handed users. Constructed from heavy-duty titanium-coated stainless steel blades, these shears deliver strength, accuracy, and dependability in every task. Covered by a full lifetime warranty, the Toughbuilt open-handle shears aren't just a cutting tool, they're your most reliable companion on any job site. Achieving perfect alignment and level results has never been more straightforward than with the Toughbuilt 100-foot cross-line laser level. Whether the task involves hanging walls, installing cabinets, or laying out construction lines, this laser level casts sharp horizontal, vertical, and cross lines with outstanding visibility across the full 100 feet. Working accurately is simple with the self-leveling mechanism, which includes an out-of-level alert to guarantee every projection is spot on. The pendulum locks securely during transport to protect the internal components. The kit includes two reliable mounting solutions, a QuickSet rotating mount and a QuickSet articulating mount with a rolling rail pin for ultra-fine positioning. Also included are a folding target, a simple one-button interface, batteries, and a protective soft-side zip case for convenient storage and transport. Engineered for job site resilience with IP54 dust and water resistance, the Toughbuilt 100-foot cross-line laser level delivers consistently precise lines on every job, making your work faster, easier, and far more accurate. No tool bag makes access and organization easier than the Toughbuilt XL Massive Mouth Bag. Engineered for professionals who won't settle for anything less than full visibility and easy reach, its patent-pending wide-opening zipper top outperforms every other bag available. The hard body construction shields your tools and maintains the bag's form, and the fully rugged waterproof base holds up in any working environment. Flexible exterior pockets grip tools firmly in place, and the ClipTech hub and steel ClipTech bar allow you to add Toughbuilt's clip-on pouches for total customization. Navigating the job site smooth with heavy-duty 6-inch off-road wheels and a wide two-handed comfort grip handle built for easy maneuvering. The 1680 denier rugged fabric and heavy-duty rivet reinforcement handle whatever the job site throws at it. Measuring 12 inches deep and 17 inches tall, with an opening 15 inches wider than the competition, it fits everything from hand tools to bulkier items like tape measures and electrical supplies with ease. If making sharp, controlled cuts through steel or ductwork has ever been a struggle, the Toughbuilt Bulldog aviation snips are about to change everything. Engineered specifically for short, high-resistance cuts, these snips power through up to 22-gauge stainless steel and 18-gauge cold-rolled steel, including most steel studs and ductwork, without breaking a sweat. Forged blades featuring induction-hardened cutting edges provide up to 10 times more cuts than standard cast blades, delivering lasting performance protected by a full lifetime warranty. The patent-pending ergonomic grip gives you two distinct cutting positions, a rearward grip for maximum leverage and a forward grip for precise control, so every cut is cleaner and more accurate. The flush pivot bolt keeps material from catching, and the metal lock secures the snips for one-handed storage. A lanyard hole adds extra convenience, and the spring action mechanism ensures effortless, rapid cutting every time. Purpose-built for HVAC and framing professionals, the Bulldog aviation snips offer unmatched strength, control, and durability cut after cut. When demolition tasks need to get done fast and clean, the Toughbuilt demolition driver makes it look effortless. Designed specifically for HVAC professionals and general demo work, its duct-piercing tip tears through light-gauge metal quickly, puncturing and cutting with precision while maintaining long-lasting sharpness. The tool is reinforced with a full-through tang design, a solid core, and a steel end cap engineered to maximize striking power and hold up to relentless impacts. Its chrome-plated steel shank fights corrosion at every turn, so the driver stays reliable and performs like new even after constant use in harsh conditions. The aggressive cutting wedge delivers maximum control, enabling you to shear cleanly through ductwork and other materials without guesswork. Whether you're cutting into ductwork, performing HVAC repairs, or taking on light demolition, the Toughbuilt demolition driver brings together strength, precision, and professional-grade toughness. Add it to your toolkit and watch puncturing, cutting, and demolition jobs become faster, neater, and significantly more efficient. With the Toughbuilt Large Tool Tote, designed for professionals who place a premium on durability and organization, it integrates perfectly with all Toughbuilt clip-on pouches, creating the most complete and customizable tool setup available. The hard body construction keeps your gear protected at all times. Built from premium PP plus HDP plastics, 1680D fabric, and reinforced throughout with heavy-duty steel hardware. The fully waterproof, rugged base keeps tools safe from the ground up, while flexible exterior pockets grip tools securely, and internal pockets ensure smaller items stay within easy reach. The ClipTech hub and steel ClipTech bar support additional pouch attachments, and a heavy-duty handle makes carrying simple. It's 16 inches wide, 14 inches tall, and 10 inches deep, complete with shoulder strap hooks and reinforced rivets. This tote is built to take on the demands of any job site. Supported by a limited lifetime warranty, the Toughbuilt Large Tool Tote is the ultimate combination of strength, organization, and portability. Working in tight spaces just became much more manageable with the Toughbuilt folding saw. Built around a patent-pending folding mechanism, it stores the blade directly inside the handle, transforming into a full-length saw for use and collapsing into a compact form for storage. The dual-edge blade features a 17 TPI edge for precision fine cuts alongside a progressive 7 to 10 TPI edge for faster, more aggressive cutting. Its thin and flexible design allows for cleaner angled cuts, while the hardened teeth make flush cutting efficient and far less tiring. The injection-molded handle provides maximum comfort and control, while the internal steel substructure adds rigidity for straighter, more dependable cuts every time. The geared pivoting mechanism moves smoothly and consistently, and the handle lock keeps the saw safely closed when not in use. Compact, thoughtfully engineered, and highly capable, the Toughbuilt folding saw belongs in every toolkit where clean, precise cutting matters. There's nothing more aggravating than a hacksaw blade that flexes and wobbles right in the middle of a cut. That's the common frustration with most standard hacksaws, and it's exactly what the 12-inch high-tension hacksaw is built to eliminate. The defining feature is the high-tension blade system, which keeps the blade locked tight and rigid throughout every single cut, giving you the accuracy and control that other saws simply can't match. It handles plastic pipes, wooden trim, and metal with equal capability, so one saw covers a wide range of tasks without needing a replacement. The handle is contoured to sit naturally in your hand, reducing grip fatigue even during extended cutting sessions. Switching blades when the material changes is fast and straightforward, with no complicated tools required. If you're involved in remodeling, plumbing, or any hands-on DIY project, this hacksaw delivers the control, comfort, and clean results you've always wanted. Anyone who has spent a long day driving nails knows the toll it takes on your body. Sore wrists, worn-out arms, and lost accuracy by the afternoon. That's exactly what the Toughbuilt hammer lineup was created to address. These aren't just hammers built to hit things, they're engineered to protect you while you work and help you stay precise throughout the day. Shock-absorbing handles reduce the vibration traveling into your wrists and elbows with each strike, which adds up to significantly less pain and better control over time. The balanced weight distribution makes every swing feel natural and lands more accurately without extra effort. Certain models include a built-in magnetic nail holder, so you can set and start nails safely using just one hand. Whether you're working on structural framing, detailed finish work, or everyday repairs around the home, the Toughbuilt hammer lineup helps you perform better and finish the day feeling a lot less beaten up. Few jobs feel as unexpectedly demanding as digging post holes, fighting through tangled roots, compacted earth, and inconsistent terrain just to achieve a clean, usable hole. Inferior diggers tend to buckle under this kind of pressure. The Toughbuilt post hole digger handles it differently, with forged blades that push through dense soil and stubborn roots without losing their edge. The process becomes noticeably more manageable and far less physically draining. Ergonomically shaped handles give you a comfortable, secure hold with improved leverage on every bite into the ground, which translates to better control whether you're setting fence posts, planting trees, or anchoring deck supports. It isn't only about getting the hole dug, it's about doing it in a way that doesn't leave you exhausted. Where cheaper diggers bend or break under real conditions, this one stays consistent and reliable every single time. Anyone who has installed pavers or tried leveling soil without compacting it first already knows the consequences. Soft spots, shifting surfaces, and repairs that shouldn't have been necessary. The 10 by 10 inch tamper prevents all of that from happening by giving you a proper tool built specifically for soil and gravel compaction. Its wide, flat base applies even pressure across a broad area, building a firm and consistent foundation that holds up long after the project is finished. No uneven patches, no settling, just solid ground ready for whatever goes on top of it. The handle is sturdy and ergonomically shaped for a controlled, comfortable grip, making each downward stroke effective and easy to direct. It may be a straightforward tool in appearance, but the results it produces are anything but basic. For anyone who wants their base work to actually hold, this tamper is an investment that pays off every time. A sharp, fixed-blade knife is invaluable on the job, but carrying one without adequate protection introduces real risk. One careless moment in your tool bag, and you're dealing with a damaged glove, or worse, an injury that stops your workday. The Toughbuilt fixed blade with sliding guard is designed to give you all the cutting power of a true fixed blade with zero flex, ensuring controlled, clean cuts through even tough and resistant materials. What makes it stand out is the sliding guard, which completely covers the sharp edge whenever the knife isn't being used. That simple feature eliminates accidental contact, protects your other gear, and gives you far greater confidence while carrying it. Accessing the blade is quick when work demands it, and re-securing it is just as easily. For anyone who wants serious cutting performance packaged with genuine safety features, this is the knife that delivers both without compromise. Working with a cheaply made rake on tough ground is an exercise in frustration, with tines that bend on the first pass and a tool that fails exactly when you need it most. The Toughbuilt forged 16-tine bow rake is a completely different experience. Built to take on hard soil, compacted gravel, and heavy debris, it holds its shape and keeps working long after lesser rakes would have given up. The 16 forged metal tines are designed for serious scraping, leveling, and clearing across wide areas without slowing down. The bow construction adds meaningful leverage to every stroke, reducing the effort your arms have to put in and allowing you to work longer without fatigue setting in. Whether you're breaking up a garden bed, clearing away rocks and debris, or smoothing out pathways and grade lines, this rake stays strong and dependable from start to finish. No bent tines, no failures, just reliable performance every time it goes to work. When you're facing stubborn old paint, dried adhesive, or hardened residue, and your regular blades simply won't cut it, is exactly where the Toughbuilt Scraper utility knife earns its place. Rather than juggling two separate tools for cutting and scraping, this one handles both tasks within a single well-built design. The sharp blade side delivers precise cuts with clean results, while the wide scraper edge on the opposite side removes tough buildup efficiently without scratching or gouging the surface below. The handle features a firm, non-slip grip that holds up when pressure is applied repeatedly over long periods, keeping your hand comfortable and in control throughout demanding cleanup work. Built for durability and extended use, it reduces the physical strain of scraping while giving you noticeably better accuracy. Stop switching between tools or struggling through jobs with the wrong equipment. This knife streamlines the process and makes a real, noticeable difference when the cleanup gets serious. Trusting your eyes to judge whether a wall, fence line, or row of pavers is truly straight is a reliable way to end up with a project that needs redoing. Even minor misalignments compound quickly and can throw off an entire installation. The Toughbuilt aluminum 48-inch mason's level removes that uncertainty entirely, giving you an extended, precise read across a wide surface so you can see exactly what's straight and what needs adjusting. The aluminum construction keeps the frame lightweight without sacrificing any rigidity or long-term durability, so it won't slow you down on busy job sites. The oversized vials and bubble indicators are designed to be read clearly and quickly, even when you're moving fast to need accurate information at a glance. It's the right tool for masonry work, structural framing, and large-scale layout jobs where precision isn't optional. Professional or DIY, this level gives you the certainty you need to produce clean, accurate work every single time. Improvising a work surface with an overturned bucket or an unsteady stool gets old fast, and it creates more problems than it solves. The Toughbuilt WB700 QuickSet Workbench replaces all of that with a purpose-built platform that's both genuinely portable and genuinely solid. It collapses into a compact, easy-to-carry form for transport between locations, then opens and locks into a sturdy, flat work surface that doesn't shift or flex under load. The working height is set at a level that's comfortable for standing work, so you're not hunching or bending awkwardly and putting unnecessary strain on your back throughout the day. Whether you need a place to cut, assemble, sand, or simply organize your materials, this bench makes every task more controlled and efficient. It's an especially smart solution for tradespeople who move frequently between locations and need reliable workspace that sets up in seconds. It's a true portable workbench, not just a folding table. Long hours spent kneeling on concrete, tile, or hardwood floors create a specific kind of punishment that adds up quickly. The soreness that builds in your knees over time isn't just uncomfortable in the moment, it's the kind of wear that affects you long after the job is finished. The Toughbuilt gel-fit Fanatic knee pads are specifically designed to stand between you and that damage. Unlike basic foam pads that compress flat and slide out of position, These use genuine gel cushioning that molds to the shape of your knee, providing targeted support and real comfort where you actually need it. Adjustable straps hold them firmly in place without cutting off circulation, so you can focus on the work instead of constantly repositioning your gear. The supportive structure also helps stabilize your knee through long sessions, reducing fatigue and keeping you working comfortably. If kneeling is a regular part of your trade, these pads are a straightforward investment in your joints and your longevity on the job. Trying to cut carpet or vinyl flooring with a blade that isn't up to the task is one of those experiences that tests your patience quickly. The material grabs, the blade skips, the edges fray, and by the end you've wasted material and energy fighting a tool that wasn't designed for the job. The Toughbuilt carpet knife changes that from the very first cut. Its specially engineered blade slices cleanly through dense carpet fibers and vinyl without snagging, dragging, or pulling the material out of position, which means neater edges and far less waste on every single cut. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in your grip and keeps your hand comfortable and accurate even through long, repetitive cutting sessions. Whether you're a seasoned professional flooring installer or tackling a home renovation project, this knife gives you the clean lines and consistent control to achieve a result that looks professional. No more fighting the material, just smooth, precise cuts that make the whole job more enjoyable. And that covers 20 Toughbuilt tools that are genuinely operating on another level. So tell us, which of these tools caught your attention the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this video gave you something useful, hit the thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss our latest tool coverage. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.